boys and girls, it's Miss Janine here, bringing you your next curbside craft for this week. And this week's theme is, can anyone guess who I have here, a little friend? That's right, it's superheroes. So in your kit, you will find one of these adorable ceramic superheroes. You'll get some paint, a paintbrush, and one of these masks. So just know that you're not going to get all of these choices. There'll be one of these choices in your kit, okay? And also a sticker scene that you can do at your leisure, all right? So with regard to painting your superhero, we've given you some primary colors, white, yellow, blue, and red. And who knows what colors you can make with all of these colors. So many you can play around with. You could do mix blue and yellow, and maybe, who knows what that color will be. That's right, it's green. Yellow and red you could mix, and maybe your favorite color is, maybe it's also your favorite fruit. Orange, that's right. So you could play around with these colors and make all different colors and find some new ones that you might enjoy. Okay, so enjoy these crafts. We wish we could be together, but have some fun at home with these, and stay tuned. I'm going to read you a nice story about a superhero. All right. Max by Bob Graham. Morning arrived on a street like any other street, in a town like any other town. In a house the color of the sun and the shape of a lightning bolt, a baby woke up in his crib. Not just any baby. He was a super baby, son of superheroes, Captain Lightning and Madam Thunderbolt. Imagine him behind those yellow walls, his fingers curling and his feet kicking. His name was Max. His parents, legendary catchers of thieves and bullies, loved Max dearly. "You can walk already," said Max's dad, "and you can talk already. And I think that soon you'll be flying like a bird." "He'll be a superhero just like us," said his grandma. "But first he'll need to fly," said his granddad. Although they bounced him and bumped him and threw him like a feather on the wind, Max did not fly. He just floated gently back to earth. Max grew as super babies do, but still he didn't fly. "Just hover a little," said Madam Thunderbolt. "Every superhero needs to hover and hurtle and swoop." "Well, maybe sometime soon," she added. At home, Max and Phantom the dog played on the floor. "Come on up and join me with the parakeet," said his dad. "I can't," said Max. "I want to play with Phantom." "He walked and talked so early," said Captain Lightning. "I can't understand why he doesn't fly." "When I was his age," said his granddad, "I got into trouble for leaving fingerprints on the ceiling lamp." By the time he went to school, Max was not a flying superhero, but just an ordinary boy with a cape and a mask, which were no help to him at all in the schoolyard. "Why don't you do tough things like your mom and dad? And why do you dress in those funny clothes?" asked Aaron. "Why don't you fly?" asked Daisy. Max just shrugged. The sun rose one morning with the world-famous superheroes deep in dreams of yesterday's exploits. Grandma and Granddad dreamed of heroic past deeds. Phantom dreamed of rabbits. Who could know that a baby bird was about to fall from its nest? Max knew. Max saw it from his open window. This bird was not ready to fly. He ran to the stairs and took them 3 at a time. He reached the front door and pulled it open. The baby bird fell. Max flew to save it. Plop! Max flew the baby bird back to its nest. "You be careful up there, Max," called Captain Lightning. Madam Thunderbolt swelled with pride. In the weeks that followed, Max could be seen hovering like a summer dragonfly above the school gates. Try as she might, Miss Honeysett couldn't keep him firmly in his seat in class. At lunchtime in the schoolyard, to his friends, he was still plain and ordinary Max. Well, not quite ordinary. But then, as Aaron said, everyone's different in some way, aren't they? Now that Max can fly, will he become a superhero like his legendary parents? Will he hurtle and swoop to catch thieves, crooks, and bullies? Not important, said Madame Thunderbolt. Let's call him a small hero doing quiet deeds. The world needs more of those. Max wished his mom wouldn't hug him in public. Now on Sundays, after their week's work is finished, Captain Lightning, Madame Thunderbolt, and Max ride high in the warm air over the town. Can we go up into the jet stream? Asks Max. Whenever you're ready, Max, answer the legendary superheroes, Captain Lightning and Madame Thunderbolt. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you had fun listening to the story, and I hope you have fun painting your little ceramic friend. I started mine, and enjoy mixing your colors and making your mask and your sticker scene, and I hope to see you real soon. Oh, I have to put my mask back on so I can get back to work. Uh-oh, that's the wrong mask. Silly me. That's Piglet's mask. Let's put him back. Put his mask back on. And now, the right mask for me. Okay, that's more like it. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.